Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. But anyway, today we're not going to talk about food. We want to talk about Jamaican Independent Day, guys. I want all Jamaican to come out, support, and listen. Let's have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself, and let's celebrate Jamaican 54 years of independence. We love Jamaica, and that's where I'm from. And big up every Jamaica. I don't even know how to explain it. But guys, I just want you to come out, support, enjoy yourself, and have a wonderful time. Tomorrow, gonna be Crystal Palace celebration, Jamaican Independent Day. It's gonna be a big day, and I know all of the Jamaican gonna come out tomorrow. They're gonna be flowing out tomorrow. We're gonna come out, we're gonna celebrate, we're gonna support. No matter which country you're from, come out. No matter where you're from, come out. No matter who you are, come out. Let's come out and celebrate Jamaican Independent Day, guys. It's gonna be a blessed day. We're gonna love it, and hopefully we can have a wonderful day. And as I can see, the day look nice. Hopefully tomorrow even gonna be better. So guys, as I said, celebrate Jamaican Independent Day. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team, and big support from Chef Ricardo and the team also. Remember, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and also Snapchat, and also Chef Ricardo 9. We got the Facebook Live page, and also we got the cookbook online, 50% off. Remember, my next book coming out also. Enjoy it, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team.